All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little unboxing video for Christy. Got her package in today, her T-Rex Racing windshield. It's a 12-inch windshield. We'll just unbox it to see what we got.
Yay! Dang.
Like Christmas.
It's better than Christmas. So, I guess, as always, you get stickers.
Got some good stickers. Got a windshield. It says that's glass on the box. I don't know if it's really glass or they just put that so they treat it like glass.
So they be careful, yeah. Everybody's waiting on me to cut my hand off.
I don't cut your hand off. Be great video though.
It's not happening. Get this out. I guess this is your hardware. And of course, are those Allen? I don't know.
Yes. Safety
tape. Yeah.
It is glass?
It is glass. They wrap it really good though. I don't want to scratch it. I wonder if there's a, I can't tell if they go all the way, it goes all the way around or not. There it goes. It's not quite 12 inches. I think it said 11 and a half. So I don't think it's quite 12 inches. I think it said 11 and a half. But I got the dusty smoke, but that's dark.
Yeah, it is dark.
So I'm happy about that for sure. There you go.
You're gonna have to hold it away from you. It's blending in with your shirt. It's pretty dark. All right, so there it is.
Can you see me?
We got her unboxed. Next time you see us, we'll be putting it on. All right, guys, so we're back. We are now gonna put on this windshield. Christy's gonna do all the wrenching today. Say hi, Christy.
Hi, Christy.
All right, so everybody's got jokes. So this is gonna be a pretty simple deal. They're here on the fairing. We're gonna have to remove the fairing to put the windshield on. There's 3 on each side, and whenever she gets to taking them apart, we'll film it. And so there's 3 bolts on each side, and then the windshield is connected separately. So we'll have to get that done. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute.
Okay, you've got one here, here, and up here. So we're gonna start wrenching, I guess, is what you call it. And what size is this? This is a 5? You see it?
5 millimeter.
5 millimeter. That one, kind of hard to get in here for me. Oops. don't think it's... There's two. Right up here's your third one. Oops. No, it's not turning it on. Good Lord.
All right, so there's the three off the left side, and the right side's the same way. So we'll get back to you when we start putting the windshield on. All right, so we got the fairing off, and now she's going to take the windshield is just connected to a little bracket here on front of above the windshield. It's only got 4 bolts in it, so I'm going to show you her taking that off.
You're still going to use your 5mm. I feel like at this point we've done this. We've taken this thing off 100 times. Feels like.
Yeah, taking it off a couple of times.
Let me see those there on this side because they've got little.
So just a fun fact: the T-Rex glass that we're putting on here is actual glass. I wasn't expecting that at all.
I don't know if we're going to reuse those or not because it came with some.
Yeah, it came with some longer bolts because that glass is a little thicker. So.
Okay.
All right, we got the windshield off. We're going to get the windshield, figure out what's going on, and we'll be back.
I do know what I have.
All right, so the bracket that holds the windshield has these little clips in here, and to get those out, you push them down, and then they just push right out. And the new windshield comes with new bigger ones, and it instead of the
I have no strength.
it's going to have a nut on one side, on the fairing side.
You're going to have to do that. I have no strength.
You just push it down, push it through. This one's already pushed down, push it through. So you're going to have to do that for the new pieces to fit. I don't know if you guys have a habit of dropping stuff whenever you're working on things. We drop something and lose it every time. We don't always film it. We just bought this house, and our garage has a concrete floor with a great big crack in it, and we're working right here in this crack, and we dropped a piece right down in there. So Christy's going to get a coat hanger so we can get that out. Just thought I'd let y'all know, be careful with your pieces. All right, so after about 25 minutes of getting that thing out of the crack, we did get it. Christy's going to show you how the pieces work on this windshield.
So you're going to take this piece and place it in here first?
No, here.
No, okay. In here. Ooh, it's a tight squeeze.
That's pretty tight.
That it doesn't come all over. Oh, okay. Push it down, and then you're gonna put your screw in.
No, you're going to do all 4 of those first.
Oh, okay.
No, show them.
Yeah, you're not. Okay. All 4 are in.
All right. So after you do that, you're going to have to place the windshield here, and there are nuts, I mean not nuts, but washers that go on this side. That washer right there. All right, so we're gonna get that going together, and we'll get back with you in just a second.
Okay, we've already got this side in just to figure out if we were correct in that or not, so we could show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and come over here to this side, and you're gonna put your screw through here. It'll go all the way to the back. Then you're gonna take this washer that came with these, stick it in the back, and then your nut that was on the screw. You're just gonna screw it in as far as that will go, and then we're gonna take our 4mm hex and just tighten this down. You will have to use some pliers to hold the nut back here so it will tighten.
All right, so we'll get some pliers.
You have to get back.
And I'll hold the thing for her. The thing. You ever held the thing?
The thing. Ew.
All right. So let me get on it.
Okay.
All right, so you want to do all 4 of them just like that, and we're going to go ahead and put the rest of them in, and we'll come back when we got it on. All right, we got the windshield on. We got, when you're tightening these up, just kind of semi-tighten them and then go and tighten them one by one, because when you tighten one, you're loosening another one. The fit and finish on this is pretty good. The rubber grommets come right up and meet where they should. All right, so now we're going to put the fairing back on, and we'll come back.
Ooh. Okay, well, that's a tight fit. I said that's kind of a tight fit. All right, I got my windshield, y'all. Pearl, Pearl, see if Pearl approves. Pearl, do you like Mommy's windshield? Do you like it? Yay, Mommy. Oh, look, Pearl.
All right, so she's on there. The fit and finish on it is real nice.
I'm gonna go get Pearl.
So everything went back together good. The windshield is nice and clear, no distortions. So it's on there, and it looks pretty good. It's not as tall as she thought it was going to be, but we're going to go for a ride and see if it pushes the wind up over her head a little better. All right, Chris, so you took it for a test ride. What do you think?
Well, I had to stop and tighten my hat down there, but it was real loose on me. But, no, it was good. It helped a lot.
So did it stop the wind buffeting?
A lot of it, yes. I mean, I know I'm still going to get some from the side and stuff like that,
But
yeah.
it did help.
Yes, it did help. I like it.
All right, well, y'all heard it. There
And it
it
makes
is.
it look cool.
It looks cool. And say again, who makes it?
T-Rex Racing.
Where'd you get it?
TRexRacing.com.
How much did it cost?
$129.
All right, that's not too bad.
Not too bad for a glass windshield.
All right, there you have it. We'll see y'all later.